March 18th, 2020. It's time. Eric is declaring, what is that? The edge. He loves the edge of the bucket. Anyway, yeah. Eric wants to play with the backhoe. Gonna fill up the tire and go dig some dirt a little bit, right? Yeah, we're pretty well flat here. So we're gonna do this real quick. Alright, got her hooked up. Hopefully that'll pump her up. It's gonna take a little bit. It's green. You're right, it is. Green edge. So yeah, March 18th, 2020. Isolation. COVID-19. If anybody wants a rototiller with a broken transmission, we got it for you. But yeah, so it was frozen this morning. This was muddy the other week. And now it's all ruts. Got to fix that up a little bit. A little bit of a hazy day today. Not too bad. Got that little pile right there of dirt. We'll probably scoop that up after we get this tire pumped up. So let's see, how are we doing here? Are we getting up off the floor? Probably. Yeah, this thing's great. Oh, where are we at? That's a unit we don't care about. 5 psi. Well, 5 is not enough, but it's starting to inflate. We get up to 15 and we'll run it. And notice how much gap there is there by the tread because we're pumping up the tire. So it's been a couple minutes here. What are we up to? That says 15.5. That's pretty good. Yeah. We're going to shut that off. And it bounces back to 15. That's good. That's good. So let's pop this off. We're going to put the cap back on real quick there. And we're going to start this puppy up. What? Green. It's green. What's green, Eric? What's green? Oh, that little bottle over there. I have no idea what it is. Anyway, 1023R E, 1023E, John Deere front end loader backhoe combo, dirt. You want to dig the dirt? Yes, we're going to dig the dirt. You turn it on. Wait for the coil, which is the heat, the glow plugs. Diesel, baby. We are diesel. All right, let's make sure we're all up here. Bring this forward and up. Curl the bucket. Get that center. All right. Put it into gear. Let off the brake. And we got forward and back here. Forward. There we go. Gotta make sure I don't run over my equipment here. All right, here we go, Eric. Dig the dirt. So he loves this. We dig the dirt. Here we go. Woo! He loves it. Oh, yes. We're going to curl our bucket. Bring it up. Wow. See, look at that. Scooped it out. Here we go. Oh, yes. And then we can back drag it a little bit. That's what this is called. You put the bucket down like that, back drag it. Nice. That's it. All right, so. Yeah, I scooped it. We're done. Am I in 4-wheel drive? I don't need to be in 4-wheel drive now. I was on ice the last time I did this. Oh, he sees a spot in the yard. He thinks he needs to smooth it out. Yeah, that's about it, Eric. Start to smooth out the yard. What? Oh, we gotta move some logs. Alright, so we'll do this a little bit. So the good thing about a backhoe is it's not just for dirt, you can move logs, all kinds of cool stuff. Whoops! Looks like I scooped up a log along the way. Now what? You want me to move it? Alright, so I'm going to put that in park. Get it out of gear. Alright. Yeah, no big deal, Eric. Just throw that in the pile. What? You want me to put it up here in the bucket? Oh, you want to use the bucket? Oh, I see. Well, we got to use the bucket, I guess. So, that's how it works, right? We just curl it like that. And then I push it down by pushing it forward. So that's curl back, curl down, curl out, curl in. Okay, take our wood, throw it in here. Now what? We have to dump it over there on the pile? Okay. See, I got a little form in here. Ugh. So let's do that. Turn off the brake. Then gear. Let's go. Lift it up. Oh, and he loves this. He just loves watching stuff get dumped. That's it. There we go. What? He's got so many things he wants to do. Let her dry out. It's actually pretty dry from a whole lot of usage there. Let me, so I did a little hole in the dirt there because of spinning the tire. So we'll just use our blade and kind of level that out. There we go. And it's not quite perfect, but let me do that again. Good enough for government work? What? Dig or what? What do you want? Oh, you want to move the log. He loves moving these logs. So we'll do a little bit of that. Let's see what we got here. Oh, missed it. Gotta push it down a little bit. There we go. Woo! Okay, that's enough. That's enough, Eric. Alright, I'm gonna try and smooth this out here a little bit with the bucket. So I'm just going to back drag it. And we'll do that first. There we go. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to put down pressure, kind of lift up the front end a little bit, and then back up. And just smooth things out that way. So that's what I'm doing here. Just checking behind me to make sure I don't drive into any trees. And then I can also curl backwards and push. So the bucket is actually up off the ground like this. I'll do a little bit of that. That kind of smushes things out pretty well. We can just roll over with the tires too. It's pretty heavy. So that works out pretty well. Yeah. You know, it's not perfect. Nothing ever is when it comes to this. I'm not a professional earth mover, but I could squish down these ruts that I put in when it was muddy and make it a little bit better. And pretty soon, oh, you want to play with this too? So I got some old wood here. Let's see what we're going to do. There we go. There. Good, right? That's good stuff. What else do we need to do here? I've had that pile drying for a little while. These logs have been here for a long time. These, kind of unearthed them. Some of them are half rotted. I gotta figure out what to do. Anyway, so this is my swale that I cut to help drain out this area because it slopes downhill a bit. I think he wants to go play in the garden a little bit, so we'll do that. Oh, you want to smooth it out, buddy? So we were playing with hand tools earlier. Now we got to do the power tools. So let's do that. Again, we'll curl it down, do some down pressure, and I'll back it up. Look at that. Oh, so good. Looks like smooth as glass, huh? All right, and I'll do a little forwards too. Do some of that. Oh boy, wow. There we go. Woo! Wow. Nifty. Oh, there's this spot over here he wants to fix. So we'll fix that for sure. Let's just do that right away. Alright. There it is. Yeah. Now let's do a little more. A little more. There you go. Yep. Okay. Now what, Eric? What? I guess he wants to do the burn pile a little bit. Yeah, I'm not sure what I'm going to do here. It's finally defrosted, so that's kind of nice. Yeah, I guess I'll scoop some of the charcoal together. So we'll do that. There we go. There we go. There, I just scooped it together here a little bit. There we go. Good enough. Good enough for that. Now the ice and snow is finally melting here, so let's just do this. Let's see here. Kind of smooth that out a bit. Oh, yeah, there's still some ice. Look at that, March 18th, still got ice. Well, I got ice over there too. There's our snow pile. It was 7 feet tall. Now it's 2 or 3 at the most. But anyway, yeah, there it is. Oh, you want to go down the path here a little bit? He loves watching the process of smoothing dirt out. So let's see what we're going to do here. And we'll just kind of go down the pathway a little bit. Smush it out a little bit. Oh, there we go. There's lumps of dirt here, so I'm going to smooth that out. There we go. There we go. Okay, that's better. There we go. Just right there. Nice. Okay. What else do we need to do? Nothing. Right? What? Alright. Now, let's see what we're going to do. Well, I guess over here he wants me to play with the concrete blocks from our old steps, so we'll move that a little bit. Kind of move them around more than anything. That makes him happy. He just wants things touched, I guess, right? I don't know. Alright, down the path, down towards the stream. He's so happy. Not much I can do to make him happy outside of this, so this is what we do. And the bridge is still holding up after all these years. If I fall in the creek, I'll eat my words. But no, these are big giant logs holding it up, so we're good. And that's the story. Back here it gets a little soft. So we'll see what we're going to do back here. It's been a while. And was a lot of wood here. I kind of pushed it back. We'll see what we'll do here. We'll see what we do. Okay. Sometimes I have to put it in 4-wheel drive. I might do that because I'll pick up some of this and put it into some soft spots. There we go. Now I'm in 4-wheel drive. I'll move this log out of the way. So what I do is I usually take the logs, get them moved out, right? The stuff that's larger, that probably could be burnt. And that underlying stuff is like mush. Like it's half decayed. So I'll kind of dig out some of that. Just kind of scoop it up. best I can. Just kind of scoop that up, right? And let's see, what else can we do here? Not getting a good bite. Some of this is oh, there's a stump here. Oh shoot, I forgot there was a stump buried under all this stuff. Holy, no wonder why I can't dig. Jeez. Well, that explains a lot. George buries a stump like 10 years ago and forgets about it. Well, that's what happens, isn't it, huh? So anyway, I'll do what I can here. Kind of dig past it, I guess. Jeez. Well, this is gonna make things a little difficult. I'll just scoop what I can out of it, but there we go. Get up on some wheels here. Let's see what we can do. Okay, that's a little better. Yeah, I genuinely didn't realize how much I had here, so. Oh, still recording, that's cool. There we go, a little bit of scoop. Alright, so I wanted to get some of this because it's all natural and I can use it for filling in some of these softer spots. Like right here it's a little soft, but over there it's even softer. So let me get over here. And there's a hole right about right there is the hole. So I'm just gonna dump this in over here. Kind of get it shoved over there a little bit. Right, just bit of something to help smooth things out a little bit, because otherwise driving over this it was like a hole. So now I got some wood material mixed in. It'll ride, it'll be fine, no big deal, right? So there we go. Plus it's a little bit safer than having your leg fall into a hole and breaking your ankle. So that's it. Anyway, yeah, we're on the other side of the stream here, and welcome to our backwoods. Have a good day.